Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce to you a new multifunction digital source metal developed by our Reejoee company. It is small in size, light in weight, and then convenient to carry around for business trip. Now I'm showing you how to use it quickly. Let's start from the back of source metal. 1. This is power adapted. Inside this into the small round hole at the back of the metal to power it. 2. Here are the power on the on and off switch of the source metal. Set it to 1 to 10 it on. 3. The square hole in the middle is a USB interface, which can be connected to a computer to analyze the current waveform. Now, start demonstrating how to use it from the float of source metal. First, there are two buttons here to adjust the voltage. The left button is for fan adjustment and the right one for cost adjustment. Second, push the left button is to start the voltage output. Already dot will be displayed, and then data output will begin on the LCD color screen. So let's take a look at the data on the screen. It is divided into areas. The upper part is the real-time areas, and then the low part is the statistical areas. First, let's take about real-time areas of the up part. This is a real-time voltage value. This is real-time current value. This is a voltage output status. Then the following is the statistical areas. Here is the overall average current value. Here is the maximum current value. Here is the representative model. Here is the running time value. Here is the average current value for 1 second. Okay, that is for today's demonstration of this quick and easily operation. Thank you for watching.